Feeling mentally drained, unfocused, or stressed no matter how hard you try? Trouble sleeping, constant irritation, or physical tension are deeper signs that your mind needs support. Leaply helps you regain balance with guided lessons and holistic tools so you can feel calmer, stronger, and in control again. Without further ado, let's dive in.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Let's go to Google and search for Leaply, then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Leaply. Leaply will help you build a life of peace and joy. Leaply is a team of scientists aiming to make happiness accessible to everyone. For that purpose, we can take a test and log in to continue our journey. The purpose of Leaply is to enhance our vitality. Here, we can practice a core and science-based method that is simple and easy to follow. The result is satisfaction. So, how does the Leaply method work? First, you take a test. Answer quick questions that will help Leaply make your program effective for you and your specific needs. Then, you get your plan. Create an account on the platform to access your plan anytime, anywhere, and on every device. You can follow the program day by day with 5-minute daily instructions to guarantee quick and lasting results. Why do people choose Leaply? Leaply believes in making science simple, accessible, and effective. The program is designed with one goal in mind: to help people regain balance and peace of mind in a way that feels right for them. Leaply is personalized according to your needs and goals. Your plan is the result of careful consideration of your profile. The program is research-based, and your plan is a custom-made selection from thousands of different techniques and steps that are proven to work. It's easy to use, so everyone can benefit from it. There are different types of wellness tools available. So what is the difference between Leaply and other tools? Leaply's approach is holistic and grounded in science, but always with effectiveness and practicality in mind. You won't find unnecessary complexities or inaccessible theories here, only straightforward guidance and real-world tools that make a difference. Curious to learn more? From here, you can get more details about this fantastic tool. Many people worldwide have joined Leaply. Leaply has more than 5,482 reviews on Trustpilot with a rating of over 4.2 stars. This means many people love Leaply. Here we can see that 51% of users have given a 5-star rating, which indicates that most people are highly satisfied with Leaply. Many users have shared their thoughts in reviews, saying that Leaply will be a game changer for them. The easy registration process is frequently praised, as everyone can register easily, and the information provided is clear and straightforward. Here are some other reviews. People are loving the exercises, finding them very effective. Many users feel lighter and more relaxed after the breathing exercises. There are also some positive reviews on Reddit. One user mentioned that compared to just reading about vagus nerve reset online, having a guided session feels less overwhelming. Another user says, for beginners, Leaply is pretty friendly and approachable. Many other people are curious and want to know more about Leaply, which shows that a lot of users appreciate and recommend it. Here, we can see the difference between now and after using Leaply. There is a significant difference between our current state and what we can achieve after using Leaply and reaching our goals. With the help of this amazing tool, we can increase our wellness and reduce stress easily. Here, we can also see highlights of our plan: a personal plan with day-by-day practice, focused 5-minute techniques, a relief toolkit in our pocket with 0 equipment required, and proven science-based content. Our 4-week transformation begins now. Here, we can see our complete 4-week plan. Now, I want to log in to Leaply. For that purpose, click on Sign In. Here, we need to enter our email address and password. I will input my email address and password, then click on Login. Once we log in, we can see our vagus nerve reset personalized plan. Here, we can also see printable materials. First, let's go through the vagus nerve reset plan. Click on Continue, and you'll see your full plan laid out. Your journey starts from week 1, day 1, where you'll find different topics. For example, a coherent breathing method.
Hello, and welcome to the coherent breathing practice. To a few quiet minutes just for you. Find a comfortable seated posture or lie flat. Let your hands rest where they fall naturally, close your eyes if you like, and begin to notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. We will breathe together at a steady rhythm, 4 counts in, 6 counts out,
which offers a gentle way to ease stress and soothe your vagus nerve. It's an excellent science-backed technique for calming the nervous system. Once you complete your first day, click on Next to move to day 2, where they'll be guided through a different vagus nerve exercise. There are also printable materials to support your progress. Click on Printable Material, and you'll see various resources designed for stress and anxiety relief. These might include worksheets, trackers, or quick reference guides. From the bottom of the screen, you can download your full kit and print the materials, so you can use them offline and build a tangible habit routine alongside the digital plan. With the help of this amazing AI tool, you can transform your well-being in just 4 weeks. Give Leaply a try and start your journey toward peace and balance today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments section.